American households rent 80% of self-storage units for their clutter, wasting $38 billion annually. Storing unused items in a home costs you approximately $10 per square foot. Only in America, people spend $2.7 billion annually replacing their lost items. People spend 15–20% of their annual income because of late paying lost bills, unused gift cards, and penalties for books in the libraries. Okay, got it. What about wasting your time? An average person spends about 10 months of their life searching for items at home. Instead, you can organize your home once and spend only 15 minutes a week to keep everything in order. Today, I will discuss 12 of them. Home organizing reminds me of a huge library with its catalogs and clear system of what and where to get easier and fast. When you have a lot of items and they tend to increase, you need to have a strategy how to stay in balance. My name is Mary Sheffran. I'm an interior designer in New York with 8-year-old experience in creating homes for creative and hedonistic people. Before you start organizing, declutter your space. Clear off all flat surfaces, countertops, tabletops, and nightstands. Group all your belongings into 3 groups: donate, decide later, and trash. If you didn't use some items all previous year, put it in the basket donate or decide later. If something is broken and can be used further, put it in the trash basket. Use a decluttering list. I prepared a decluttering checklist for you, which you can download from the box below. Group similar items together to create a sense of order. Sort them by category, such as clothing, books, kitchen supplies, toys, and so on. It will help you to understand what you have and where to find it. Group small items on a tray, a book, a vase, or wine glass. Create a home for everything you own. Labeling containers, shelves, and drawers is a great lesson from a huge library. Label boxes, bins, and jars to easily identify their content. Invest in storage system to maximize your space. Use clear bins, baskets, and drawer dividers to keep items organized. Use vertical space with shelves, hooks, and hanging organizers. To prevent clutter from accumulating, use the rule 1 in, 1 out. It means that when you bring a new bought item to your home, you need to move away similar one. It will help you to keep your home balanced and organized. Assign specific areas for different activities and purposes. For example, a workspace, a relaxation corner, a reading nook, a play zone, etc. Put storage in these areas and keep items in those places. It's better to think over the zoning and storage system on the first furniture layout stage. It takes time and experience. That is why it's so important to work in concert with an interior designer. Proper planning will save years of your life and tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, I talk about easy and quick solutions, but to make them stylish is the goal of the designer. If you need my help, don't hesitate to contact me. to make your home creative and relaxed. All contacts can be found in the description box. Establish a regular cleaning and organizing routine. Dedicate a specific time to tidy up and put things back in their places. Keep frequently used items on the eye level or the most convenient spots. It will save your time and effort. Store seasonal and less frequently items in harder-to-reach areas. Use space-saving techniques in your closet. Install double hanging rods and show racks. Utilize door organizers to maximize storage. Consider using slim hangers to save space and create a uniform look. Make the most of underutilized storage spaces. Under-bed storage is a lifesaver in small spaces. Look for storage in unexpected spaces, such as discrete corners, narrow niches, and irregular unused spaces. You can use the area behind the doors, under stairways, above headboards, and under beds. Look for furniture that are both pretty and practical. For example, a sofa with blanket storage, a bed frame with drawers, or a coffee table with storage options. Look at your home through the eyes of your guests. We get used to see our cluttered home and don't see messy areas. Share in the comments what areas are the most problematic for you for organization. I wish you a bright and creative life.